tutorial on how to crochet these mini hearts. These are the materials that are needed to crochet these hearts. You will need yarn. I am using the Red Heart Retro Stripe yarn. It is a medium 4-way acrylic yarn. You will also need a pair of scissors, a tapestry needle, and also a crochet hook. And I'm going to be using a 5mm crochet hook. And if you would like to add on a gem to your heart, you are going to need some glue. So I have my hot glue gun here and I have my gems. And these gems I found at my local Dollar Tree store. The only ones that I could find that were heart-shaped were these green gems. So these are the ones that I'm going to be using for the hearts that I'm going to be crocheting. This crochet heart is worked in the round. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with a magic circle, and from there I'm going to go ahead and chain 3, and now I'm going to work 3 triple crochet into the circle. And once those 3 triple crochet are completed, we're going to go ahead and work 3 double crochet into the circle. And once those 3 double crochet are completed, go ahead and do a chain 1, and then we're going to do a triple crochet. And this triple crochet here is what makes the point of the heart, the bottom point. So once that triple crochet is completed, we'll do a chain 1. And on this side, we're just mirroring what we did on this side. So now I'm going to work 3 double crochet. Okay, and after those 3 double crochet are completed, I'm going to go ahead and work 3 triple crochet. And after I'm done those 3 triple crochet, I'm going to go ahead and chain 3. And I'm going to slip stitch into the center. And this is when I'm going to go ahead and fasten off. So I'm going to grab my scissors, cut that end off. And then that tail end that we were crocheting around in that circle, we go ahead and pull that. And then we'll close up that center opening. And then from here, just going to go ahead and take our tapestry needle and weave in our ends. If you're adding a gem to the center of the heart, you'll just go ahead and grab your gem and apply some glue to the center of it. Just be careful you don't burn yourself, especially if you're using a hot glue gun. And then just going to go ahead and glue it right into the center of the heart.